म्हापशेच्या SR एंटरप्राइजेस इमारतीक उज्यान शेनवारा पेट घेतली. म्हायती मेळटाच उजो पालोवपी दळान घडणूक थळार धांव घेतली. उज्याचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक सुमार 50 मिनटां लागलीं म्हण म्हायती उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Immediately a turnout was made. When we reached the call spot, one shop by name SR Enterprises was totally involved in fire. Basically, this building is ground plus 3 floors, including the basement. This shop was in the basement, and they were having all these electronic items. And since it was very dense smoke, the firefighters had to cut to the shutters, put the breathing apparatus, and enter for firefighting. As the fire was big, we had to ask additional reinforcement from headquarters. So total 3 vehicles were involved in this firefighting operation. It took us nearly about 50 minutes to bring the fire under control. What we could save is the remaining shop, which is on the basement next to the SR Enterprises. There are about 10 to 15 shops here. So we have controlled the fire from spreading to the other shops, and you can have a visual see of how the smoke has traveled, and dense smoke has traveled through all other shops.